The Flink provides an Apache Kafka connectors for reading data from and writing data to Kafka topics with exactly once semantics guarantees. So in this lecture, let me demonstrate how to integrate the Kafka with the Flink. Of course, you can reference documentations at here. All right. First, we have to introduce the Kafka connector related dependency into our project POM file. Let me do it. Okay. Introduce the dependency as first step. And second, we have to make sure the Kafka and the related service are running. We must start it them in advanced. As you can see, I'm already started the Zookeeper server and Kafka broker server, and also started the schema registry and started the KSQL server. Okay, at here. Now, let me write the source code to implement how to integrate the Flink with the Kafka and consume the topic. Okay, so we can call the we can use the Kafka source builder to do that. Kafka source and specifies the the data type. We are going to consume the record as a string. Okay, and builder and specifying the bootstrap server. Right. And giving the group ID at here. Alex test and specifying the topic we are going to consume. Suppose the topic name is the Flink test. Okay. And specifying the offset strategy. Set a starting offset. We can use the offset initializer and specify it to a commit offset and offset strategy reset strategy earliest. All right. And given the value only deserializer, because in this lecture we are just to focus on the string value part. We can use built-in simple string schema directly. So create the instance and specify it. And specify the additional property by the set property method. For example, we can specify the commit offsets on checkpoint. Specify the property, another property. The auto commit interval ms right here. For example, we suppose use 3000 and the specifying property. We will enable the auto commit function. Right. And 2. Okay. And last, we can call the build method. Will create the Kafka source instance here. Right. Perfect. Now we can use the env from source method let the Kafka source into our DataStream pipeline. Kafka source and given the watermark strategy, given a name, Kafka source, and then we can print the result or print the Kafka records to the console directly. Because so far we could not study how to transform them and how to key-by and how to window rewrite. Don't forget one thing important thing. We have to enable the chain pointing function. About the chain pointing, I will introduce this part of knowledge in future lectures by more details. So don't worry about that. we can specify the chain point model to exactly once. All right. Okay. Now we completed the source code development work. We have to create and produce some record into the Kafka topic. I will use KSQL DB client to do that. All right. We can use the create stream statement, create a stream, and both create the topic. The stream named Flink test, and suppose we have 3 fields at here: username, string, age, int, with Kafka topic, Flink test, and the format now, and value format we can specify the to JSON. All right. Given the partitions and the replicates, 1 and 1. All right. Execution this command or statement. Yes. When this Flink, when this stream created, the underlying topic will also be created. We can use the described command to check the details. Described Flink test and extended. As you can see, the underlying Kafka topic named Flink test, right? And one partition and the replication is also 1. All right. Let me start this application. As you can see, our application is started, and now we can insert or produce some records into the Flink Kafka topic for the Flink application consume. Okay. The first record, as you can see, and yeah. Oh, sorry. Something is wrong. And tap run the Kafka Bootstrap server IP address. Let me restart this. Okay. As you can see, the first record are consumed and print to the console. Of course, you can produce the second record as a key circle. All right, it's perfect. 3. Okay, no problem, right? This is about how to integrate with Kafka with the stream, and we specify the value deserializer is a simple string schema. At the next lecture, I will introduce how to consume the record value from the JSON format. All right. See you next lecture.